What's up guys, welcome back to my video. What's up guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I'm here on Flea SMP, as you could tell, since I have my flea skin on. But, today, we are playing hide and go seek in Minecraft. So, Green Kid 1 is hiding, and we have to go find him, and if we see him, we have to kill him. If we kill him, whoever kills him is it.
And
So
we can get a surprise and we can get a command.
Yeah, after like we were talking about this like today. So after like when the series is over, we're gonna do like rewards. Would it be like in real life, Green?
No, probably not. It's just an idea. I don't even know if we're gonna do it.
Okay. Yeah, that's just an idea. It's like so let's get right into this. Sorry guys, I accidentally paused it, but let's get right into it. Alright guys, let's start. Hey Green?
Yes.
Just testing.
Are you gonna say Marco?
Marco.
Hello.
Marco.
Hello.
Marco.
Hello.
Hello.
You're not supposed to say Polo Creeper.
Hello.
Marco.
Hello.
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 Marco.
Hello.
Oh,
It's fun.
he's somewhere over here.
How do you know that?
Cause I can hear him. Do the voicemail. Use a voicemail. Marco.
Hello.
Marco.
Hello. Okay, don't just spam it.
Wait, I can use this?
Yeah, you can use that.
Okay. So I can find him?
Wait, we can use the voice pregame, right?
A PK
I
mod?
guess, just not too much.
Okay. I will try not to. It's so fun I can use it. Okay. How about I can use it 5 times?
So he's like somewhere over
You can
here.
just don't use it like over and over again.
Okay.
He's somewhere over here.
Somewhere over there.
Like where
How
I'm at.
about
He might be in this wall. No.
I think it's in the call maybe.
Sorry, we were talking to our father. Marco.
Hello.
Can you click on it?
You
Can you
found
go?
it? You found it?
No, I did.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Creeper will be right back. God, I know you're somewhere over here. Can you see my gamer tag?
Okay guys, I'm back.
Down. Wait, what do you mean look?
Where'd you went just went this way or the
Marco. Marco.
Hello.
Hold on, stop.
Marco.
Hold on,
Wait, it's being quieter. He's somewhere over here.
Marco.
Sorry about the background. Our father is watching, our dad is watching TV. Our father. Our father. Oh, Marco. Dang, I thought this would be easy.
I know where it is. I know where it is.
Or use a flea cam.
I did use a flea cam.
You know where he is? Wait.
Dude,
I'm dead.
I'm close to him.
Just sneak, so he won't know.
I see you.
No,
No. I'm sorry.
well,
Hey.
No! That was close.
well,
Did you move?
Oh my gosh, that was intense.
Yeah, that was pretty intense.
how low was you?
Yeah, how low were
You
you?
know, you keep muting to talk to the viewers.
How low was you?
I was only like 5 hearts.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, I went this way.
Oh, you don't even know who this thing's from. Oh wait.
You know we can hear you, right?
I forgot to mute.
Hahaha!
He's not. I just found him.
Look, you didn't see me, okay? You didn't see me. You alright?
I have a faster pit. He went somewhere.
We can still hear you. Marco.
Hold up.
Sit down.
No, actually, don't dig down.
Where is he?
I found him. Hold on, let me see my spawn. Hold on.
I don't see him.
Oh, I'm in the walls.
Yes, I know you're in the walls. Technically, we all are.
Yeah.
You're gonna go to bed? Creeper, where's he at? What?
He's right under you.
Where?
Hold on. I got this. I can hide from him.
You know we can hear you, right?
Come on, man.
Wait, I saw him.
Where's he at? My pick is about out.
Gotta get frozen. Hold on.
That's me.
You know where he is?
Oh, this is on! What the heck? What?
You can't find me.
Oh, yes, I can.
Where'd he go? You always sneak away. Wait.
What?
What? I found him. I found him. This is actually pretty
Well,
fun.
I found you, but okay.
True.
Hey.
No! He Michael! A creeper! Go up! What? Creeper!
Not too hard to eat.
Okay. Guys,
I forgot how fast my axe is!
Guys, I'm kind of trapped. I'm kind of trapped.
You can TP to Hunter if you need to.
Okay.
Come on.
Hunter.
I can see his name.
Hunter.
This What?
Just what we thought.
Bro, I thought Creeper's name was your name, Brain. What? Are you invisible?
I am not invisible, I'll tell you that.
Can I make Creeper?
Come on.
I'm dead. Yeah. Creeper, he's right here! No! Get him!
I'm dead.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh.
Marco.